Assalamu alaikum. This is Ashraful Islam Shumul. My student ID is 12404051. Studying at Kumilla University. My home is in Sylhet. I always try to learn new things and improve myself. I love nature, traveling and reading books. I am also interested in technology and creative works. In the future, I want to be successful and utilize my skills effectively. At first, I am to thanks my honorable teacher, Dr. Mahmudul Hassan sir, for letting me to my presentation topic. My presentation topic is number system. What is number system? Number system is a mathematical framework for representing and expressing number using a set of symbols and rules based on radix. There are two types of number system, non-positional and positional. Non-positional number system. In a non-positional number system, the value of symbols remains the same regardless of its position in the number. Those systems rely on repetition and different symbols to represent values. Example: Roman numerals and telemarks. Characteristics: no place value concept. Symbols have fixed values used in ancient times. Positional number system. In a positional number system, the value of a digit depends on its position in the number. Each position has a specific weight based on the system's base radix. Example: decimal. Decimal number system. Decimal number system base 10 use digits 0 to 9. Binary number system base 2 use digits 0 and 1. Octal number system base 8 use digits 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system base 16 use digits 0 to 9 and 8 to F. Characteristics: follow base rules. Each digit's value depends on its position. More efficient for computation used in digital electronics and computing. Thank you.